born in the hospital here, Jattaba. Welcome to the world. Wow. So beautiful. Huh? Marker? Oh.
It's 1 week.
1 week.
Mga ko lokum dila.
Lokum dila.
1 week.
Fulan nyaw man si kalar na la do ci la
Hello, we are back, and now we are at Jataba. Very soon, I think 5 minutes, we are at Jataba. And last time I was at Jataba was before 4 years. Between 2020 and 2021, we built a hospital and also water wells. Also, we helped the women with their garden also for water. Yes, today we want to visit all these projects, and yes, hopefully you will enjoy it.
Now we are waiting for the head of the village, Mr. Bakari Besane. We are waiting for him, yes.
Yes, now we are here at the house of the head of the village of Jataba, Gambia, Mr. Bakari Bisane. We are waiting for him. He's inside, but soon he will join us.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
You're highly welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
because I asked before Bakary Bisana about his age, and it's around 19, something like this. And now, yes, he gave us this picture of him. Look at this beautiful man. Very nice picture. Thank you so much.
Bakar Bisani is the elderly somebody in the village here and the surrounding villages, almost up to 7 villages. He has no companion. He is a retired civil servant. He has been working for the government for 60 years. Now he is retired. He is the head of the village here. Now, this is his farm now. Yes. Banana. Yes. He has planted these bananas. And not for cash, but for the family.
Everybody here.
Yeah, because you don't see one has just fallen down.
Okay, yes.
You have seen it with fruits. Yes. So these days we are consuming it. Maybe after lunch or supper. How old? Yeah, he is going towards 100 because he is more than 90. Yes. He is more than. Yes, yes, he can remember a lot. Yeah, because he do write and then he narrates sometimes. Yes, that is if you need to know certain information, you question him, he will help you.
Yes.
Yes,
Always good advice.
yes, yes. He's the yard owner today. All the Sanekunda family from here, both here and around Banjul, he is our elder. I am his younger brother.
Oh,
Yes. My name is Salih Pisani. I am residing at Lamen in Combo, where Abuko Nature Reserve is. Yes, but I normally visit here, frequent one. Yes, because he's well, I don't want to be far from him. I come and assist him. Where he cannot go, he will tell me to go there. 100%. Okay, thank you. You are welcome in the village. You are welcome in the compound too. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Something come to my mind now because this young man he give me the Kitzian of Jataba. Citizen. Yes. Okay. Yes. I am part of Jataba. Yes. Yes. Women of Jataba. Yes. Thank you for this gift again. Thank you.
one is not working.
Take this one.
This one? This one works. Yeah, puro. Thank you. It's nice. Yes. Yeah. Yo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sing this boy.
Yes. Fine, and you?
I'm fine. Okay.
You're working here. Your name is? Adama. Xenia, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Huh?
Your name?
Xenia. Nice to meet you. Thank you for your good job here. Thank you.
Where if they make consultations, so the patients are referred here to pick up their prescribed drugs. So actually what happened at most is that the assistant will be here dispensing medicines when they are prescribed and he will be there seeing patients. Sometimes we have a lot of patients, or sometimes it depends on the seasonal variations. So that's the medicine.
It's new for the birth, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it is divided into 3 syllables. And then it was a priority because most of the antenatal mothers, when they do for delivery, they cannot come here, so they go to other facilities. Sometimes it's at night, so transportation becomes very difficult. So we came up with this idea through his interaction with us, and we deem it necessary to put up this thing so that we can be receiving labor cases in here, even though they are going to be normal labors and not critical cases. So we can be able to handle them and we ease the burden of mothers going to other facilities.
Yeah. We have 2 or 3?
3.
Habits? 3.
So it was a magnificent program.
Yes.
But still we are to complete the process simply because we lack certain delivery dates, and we are anticipating also to have an extra nurse because he cannot be running our patient at the same time attending to labor case.
Yes.
There might be conflict of interest. So, but still we didn't go for that because we lack those things, and that's why we progressively looking for funding so that when this is available, we will be able to do what we want so that it can be a vibrant facility. Right? Honestly.
Yes.
Yes. So the petitioning is complete. washroom.
Ah, the washroom, yes.
Yeah, we have the
Also,
washroom.
was the last, yes.
So only the shower is left now.
Yeah. But before, there was shower. I saw it on the video. But now,
No, the shower was there, but it has some problem, and the plumber promised to fix it, but still we didn't have him to. He's a busy man, so he helps. So we have to rely on him, so but we will have time to come again and fix
fix it again, yes.
it. So,
No, it's yeah.
this is now before the observation. Admission. So he will admit temporary people who from an emergency, and then once they are here, they can be able to admit them.
Rest here a little bit,
Administer
yes.
certain medications, and they need to get better. Maybe in 6 hours or 3
Yes,
hours.
understand.
Yeah, start to
I got also these beds I got from a company in Cologne. Yes.
So that's how we do
And here?
And these are washrooms for the work, yeah.
And this got it also from this company in Cologne. Yeah. Ah, okay. Pharmacy. Okay,
Balance
yes.
of other things,
Yeah.
right? And then this will form a counter where the patients are seen.
But not yet at the
Not
moment.
yet, because we need to work on a workstation here. And then we also need to build this place to have cells where we can pack things. Because here is not ready, so we have to use that place as such expensive just to be able to move things forward.
Yeah, okay. And what do you need to start with this pharmacy?
Yeah, we need to have cells
Okay.
where we can keep
Okay, yes.
and AC also, because favorable temperature where we can stay with cheap medicines, because they need movements to be able to reduce potency. So that's the problem. Hence, that is not available. We still have to use another option just to move things forward.
Yes.
But we hope that help the thing from outside will be able to transform this place as a center. And then we will be able to put us workstation here,
Yes.
where the pharmacies or pharmacy assistants will use to dispense medications to the patients.
Okay. Yes, I hope.
We
You work
hope
on
so.
it,
We,
yes.
we pray aggressively to God so that this is
Aggressively,
possible. Make sure they provide some degree of ventilation so that the medicines can be safe.
We need also a cupboard.
Sure, yes, sure. That is it. So, there is our
Maybe you
temporary
can-
store for them.
Maybe you can write down a list what you need exactly, and then just let me know. Yes. Because yes, I'm here for this hospital. I did this before over 4 years. Yes, let me know this.
That's not a big deal. We have seen your efforts and we highly appreciate it. This is right. Unfortunately, we want to make this welcoming a grand one, but because yesterday unexpectedly one of the son of the community passed away,
Yes, I
and
know.
that has preceded our motion to grand welcoming, because we understood how you supported this community, what you did for this community, and we still hope that with closer collaboration and understanding, we can move things from that state, from that level, like
Yeah.
all to get the help of mankind. Well, this is all there to supporting mankind. So that the government can do it.
And press here.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's go inside. Outside.
It's not easy.
Yes, very much.
She said why she thanked God first. He said, Omar, the correlation to make this happen is her grandson. That's why she's thanking Allah. He's thanking her warmest regards to you all. She is happy. The nurse we have here, we have a very good nurse who is Bakari. He is very supportive to this community. If you come by night, you are with him. If you come during the day, he is there for you. He said they will thank you because you have really tried so much. The whole community, the whole village is very happy about you. He said someone passed away. If that was not the case, the way the opening was done, this one will be more than that. But because we are brief, that is why we couldn't do much. But she will still emphasize that they are very, very happy. They will thank Omar also very so much for all his efforts that he did to make sure this thing is realized. That is her statement. They face lot of challenges. First of all, there is no provision of a staff quarter in the clinic. Our very big donors, if you can take these statements from us and make considerations to it, you don't have the cost for an ambulance. The fencing too is also high on our agenda. If we can have it, even the nurses working here will have a quarters here and be staying here. Because there are people who are willing and able to do their work. They will stop here. And he is welcoming all of you here. He is thanking you people for your efforts and your support to make sure this building is put up here. Thank you, he says.
I have to seize this opportunity to welcome you people. Yes, what I want to buttress on, they have already dealt with. That's the transportation issue. We find it very difficult for refer patients to other facilities. Sometimes when we need to refer a patient, we normally call a taxi driver to come and pick those places and take it to the other facilities. So we have very challenge on that. And the security of the facility also. Like if we need, we like to have a support for this place to be fenced. Sometimes some people do pass this area. They think it's a forestry building. So if we have those fences here today, and we have a signboard on it, now people will able to realize that it's a clinic, a community clinic. I know today is my first time meeting with people. Though I don't know then the patient flow of this community, this facility. Now I can strongly say that the patient flow is very high. Normally, a month I will see more than 100 patient flows because I have a evidence on it. I have a evidence in my book here, registration. All is because of what? My commitment with the help of my assistant. We do able to have those amount of patients in a month. And also medication is also. It's a big challenge to us. So if we can have support, that will also help. It will make the work easy and reduce referral also. So in that note, I would like to thank you all for your presence here today.
Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to be with you today. Yeah, before more than 4 years, we finished the Jataba Community Clinic, Mother Mary block.
And also Jataba clinic.
Yes, yes, I see now we have a lot of work here still. Yeah, but we can work on it, yes. But I remember it was really a hard work because I'm not a big company or something like that. This is a one-woman show. Maybe you have to understand this.
So company
This is no organization, Sounds of Hope. This is one person. That's me since 7 years.
So I come and come here for Yami association organization. So I take on
This means I'm a single mother from Germany and I'm collecting since 7 years every day money in my free time after work. And I'm very proud that we built this here before 4 years and now, yeah, let's work together and yes, make it better here. Make this this place better. Yes.
Ni kata ate fana kisla bat kontan bat kaje ko bi nimbu alhamdulillah abelorinta. So hani sai idera kato be kelale kaje do mune keno la futa la.
Yes, and I think God is with us. Who can? Yes. And nobody could be against me because God is with us. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.